Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter GMC Sierra. Start by gathering your replacement filter, a Phillips screwdriver, a flashlight, and gloves. Park on level ground, switch off the engine, and set the parking brake for safety. Open the glove box and remove the stopper to drop it fully so you can access the filter housing. Keep small parts organized and wipe any dust from the housing before inserting the new filter. Begin by lowering the glove box fully, releasing the dampener or side stops as needed. Shine the flashlight into the opening so you can clearly see the rectangular filter cover and its clip tabs. Unclip the housing tabs gently and pull the cover free without forcing it. Slide the old filter straight out while holding a towel under the opening to catch any loose debris. Inspect the filter to confirm heavy dirt or leaves before replacing it. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated while crawling around your Sierra. It seals well and fits most cup holders so you won't spill grease into the cab. Look in the description to find the link and other deals if you want one for your toolbox. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Check the new filter's airflow arrow and align it to match the HVAC flow direction inside the housing. Slide the filter in smoothly to avoid bending or damaging the pleats, then reattach the cover and ensure clips snap back in place. Raise the glove box and resecure the dampener or stops so everything sits flush. Start the vehicle, run the blower on high, and verify steady airflow and normal sound to confirm the job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.